Hey you, my name is LaQuanda and welcome back to TG Customs. If it is your first time here, thank you for clicking on this video. If you are returning, I guess I'm the returning one because it's been years since I've posted an actual video. But if you are returning, thank you for coming back and checking out this video today. I'm not going to hold you guys. I'm not even going to make this a long video, hopefully. But I do want to take you guys on this journey with me as I complete this order. As you can tell by the title, guys, HTV vinyl shirts are not dead. They're not dead. You can still have a side hustle, have a side hustle, have a full-blown business using HTV vinyl shirts. And I'm here to show y'all that it's still a thing. I know there's so many options these days. You have DTG, DTF, sublimation, screen printing, so many other ones. And you'll probably get discouraged if you're still on the train of making shirts using HTV vinyl, which I am still on, and I am grateful for it because I still get business. I don't promote, guys. I don't promote anywhere, and people still reach out to me by word of mouth because of a shirt they saw that somebody else is wearing. And they're like, I need shirts. So, guys, HTV vinyl is not dead. So keep on doing y'all thing. And if y'all want to join me in this video today while I make these shirts, I'm making about 12 shirts, I believe. All the same print, all using HTV vinyl, one color, simple. So stick around if you guys want to join me. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so the sun is going down, so it's probably getting a little darker. But just know, guys, it's probably been about 10 minutes that I've been actually starting on this project. And if you have seen other videos of mine, you know that I'm prone for drama with equipment. And I am here on my third sheet of cutting out, and the machine just kicks the bucket. Well, hopefully not kick the bucket, just cut off on me. So we're gonna check it together to see what's going on because that's not nice of them, right? Okay, it turns back on. Okay, so I see what happened. Oh, I see what happened. Okay, so apparently this sheet right here has a cut right here. So this, oh, I didn't even see that. This got stuck in the machine, which caused it to give an error, which caused it to shut off. So we have to do a little bit of, I'm just gonna change this out and start over because there's only one that cut out. I'm not mad about missing one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace this and start over with the next cut. So for this, I only have 2 of these mats. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna go ahead and flip this around. I'm gonna get a whole new sheet because this sheet is partially used. I don't want to overlap it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a new sheet. And I'm just gonna use the other side. So hopefully this part of the board doesn't have to go through the machine so it doesn't get caught. And yep, it's not gonna go through because this particular sheet is only 20 inches long and it stops right at the cut. So note to self, never use this one from the top, use it from the bottom. Now we are ready to put it back into the machine. So even with what just happened, my iPad kind of got stuck too. It still says that it's cutting. So I'm going to have to start the project all over. So I would just go ahead and, see, the iPad is frozen. I'm just gonna close it out. Oh, I don't remember which one this was. Let me see before I close it. Okay, we were on the medium cut. So take that and close it out. Reopen it. Get back to the project. And it's still there. Perfectly. Okay, perfect. So we were on the medium. So I'm going to figure out which one's already cut because I have 4 sheets to do. And I already had 2 sheets that was cut. I'm going to figure out which ones didn't cut. And then I'll finish the cutting process. Alright, so I figured out it was these 2 that are in red that was already cut. Instead of me just deleting them, I just changed to the color red. So I know that those are already cut, just in case I have to go back and do any additional changes. And then we're just going to finish cutting up these 2, and then that'll be done. That'll be it for the cutting of today's project. So guys, since we're in this Cricut design space, always remember to mirror your designs for HTV. I'm going to go ahead and mirror both of the black ones. Okay, mirror, mirror, and then we're going to start, I want to start the big one because I want to get that done out the way. So then click on next. Click on the name of the machine. And once it's sent, we'll go ahead and restart our cutting. There we go.
Got a drink in your hand, won't you set it down? Hopes high, don't you let them down. I know you feel the tension, baby. One night to forever now. Eyes locked when I walk in. 2-step to the Uber, baby. Go ahead, bring your best friend. Waterbed make it feel so wavy. This pressure makes diamonds. No questions from me till the night ends. One dance, I want you next to me. 2 hands, the perfect recipe. Don't rush romance, your body's all I need. One dance, I want you next to me. To me, 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 I want you next to me. Well, let's go now. Sick and tired of being all alone now. Yeah, you should hit me on my phone now.
Alright, so I am done with the printing, cutting, whatever you want to call it. So I am done with cutting out the vinyl of the design and also cutting them away from each other since I did print in bulk. And you may notice on them we have the design, which is the big letters, and then you may see like a M on one. You may see an XXL plus on one. And in some it doesn't have any at all. So the thing about these is these are the sizes for the shirts. So because we're working with multiple shirts, I didn't want to have to like figure out which size went to which shirt. Usually I will do the same size depending on the design. You can get away with having one particular size for that design. But because it was sizes from medium all the way to 3X, I just went ahead and just sized them out based on the size itself. So one way to keep track of that is attaching a little symbol of the size to each print, and then when it's time to place it on the shirt, you would know, hey, this goes to a medium shirt, no questions asked. And then before we press down, I'll remove the M. You don't have to cut it out, just remove the M from this sheet, and then just press it as normal. So now we're gonna go ahead and put all the designs to the shirt that it's supposed to go to.
I move too fast, I wanna slow down. Yeah. When I'm by your side, girl, life is so vivid. Looking in your eyes.
All right, so here we have our shirts for today, which are navy blue shirts. and I'll just go ahead and add the designs. We're going to check the tag to see what the size is, and then just attach the print. Boom. That's it. And then we're going to move to the next one. I'm going to push this up so I can have more space. Okay.
I'm addicted. Baby, we could drive everything we know. Me and you together on the LA coast. Tunnel vision, you're the only thing that I can see. When we're together, baby, I'm the person I should be.
Now that those are put together, let's go ahead and get started on the pressing. But first, we have to turn on the machine. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly so we can let that machine heat. I should did this a long time ago. Not a long time ago, but I should did it a few minutes ago. So by this time, it would have been ready to go. But no biggie. Yep. And we have our settings for 310 at 15 seconds. When it heats up, that's what we'll be working with. This is the HTV Ront, I believe it's called, heat press. I actually like this. This has been doing well for me. Now, some people said the pressure wasn't good, but I haven't found any issues. Not with heat transfer vinyl, at least. There was no issues regarding the pressure. Now, once that is finished heating up, we'll go ahead and jump right into pressing these shirts. I want to be done with these shirts by 9 p.m. By 9 p.m. And the time is now 8:17. So if you guys think I'm going to be done by 9, it's 12 shirts. Comment below if you think I'm going to be done by 9. Put a time, put a clock emoji in the comments below if you think I'm going to be done by 9 o'clock. Put it right now. Don't cheat. And then we'll see if I'm actually done by 9. Yay. As you can tell, I have already failed with the time because it's 8:32 right now. Had technical difficulties. I actually had to go and find another tripod because the tripod I was just using wasn't working. Like it kept, my phone is too heavy for it, so it kept sliding down. So I had to go look for my other tripod that I bought because of that reason. And I found it that my husband was like, he needs some money to buy the food for dinner. And I was like, So I lost a good 20 minutes doing all of that. So I'm not going to be done by 9. I'm sure I'm not. So the next goal will be 9:30. So comment below if you think I'm going to be done before 9:30. Okay, let's get right into it. Let's do a time lapse right now.
This pressure makes diamonds, yeah. No questions for me till the night ends. One dance, I want you next to me. Two hands, the perfect recipe. Don't rush romance, your body's all I need. One dance, I want you next to me. To me, 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 I want you next to me.
Hey, I had a lot of fun tonight. Where's your car? Can I get a ride?
Nah, I brought my Ducati. See you around.
People make time for what they want. You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna. I ain't even gonna strip, I ain't mad. I know how to act. You won't even catch me talking trash. I could get it poppin' if you want it. Have you looking over shoulders real haunted? But I'd really rather take a step back. Time's moving fast and it's already healing my scratch. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. I ain't gonna sit around waiting for you. Got a million other things I gotta do. Got a gig and a script that I'm taking my time with. Then I got signers, publishing got me thriving. I can't let a flake come and kill my mood. Don't even say a thing, don't act a fool. Ain't no need for
arguments, I get back to my shining, back to my grind, and you're ruining my timing. People make time for what they want, so if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Many people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want, so if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Many people still around me think I'm fly. I'm in your head, I got you feeling guilty. Your word is flimsy, nothing you say is real, see. Before I was stupid, I stay up and lose it. Was making excuses, I felt it was ruthless, but had to go through it. I had to learn, had to see it.
Okay, I don't know, do we make it? It's on the last second, and it's releasing, and the time is now 9:01. Guys, we made it 9:01. I'm too proud of myself. I really thought I was gonna take a lot longer to finish pressing these shirts, but they are done at 9:01 p.m. All I gotta do now is add the names to each person. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. I hope you can see it. My watch keeps cutting off on me. Disrespectful. Yeah. Just gotta add the names to the sizes so we can get it delivered so that the person that is passing them out tomorrow, yes, these are orders for tomorrow, they can know what size goes to who. All right, so we have all the shirts here. And guys, I'm going to actually end the video here right now because I don't want you to watch me fold. Doesn't make any sense. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and leave a like. I would greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave those below. And I don't know when I'm going to be back, but hopefully I don't go away for another 2 years like I did last time. But I enjoyed you guys watching me, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me as well. And you'll see me in the next video, guys. Remember, HTV vinyl is not dead. Get those orders done and out to your people. Okay? Good night, guys.
Learn how to see it myself. Now I got the experience under my belt, so don't hit up my cell. You can give it up, pack it up. You and that selfish love, go and bother someone else. People make time for what they want, so if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around